Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for everything automotive. In today's video, we're diving into what we believe is the best BAOUFF 250 carburetor upgrade, the BAOUFF PWK Carburetor Kit. Whether you're an avid dirt bike rider or just looking to boost the performance of your BAOUFF 250, this carb kit could be just what you need. First off, let's talk about fitment. This carb kit is specifically designed for the BAOUFF 250, making it the perfect upgrade for anyone looking to enhance the fuel system of their dirt bike. It's not a universal carb that requires a lot of tweaking. This kit fits like a glove. You'll be able to enjoy an immediate performance boost once it's installed. The kit includes everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you'll find the 48mm air filter, a CNC fuel filter, a carburetor interface connector, and multiple nozzles for different tuning options. These components ensure that your carburetor works efficiently, improving throttle response and delivering the power you crave when you hit the trails. Now, let's talk about the material and design. The carburetor itself is made from high-quality aluminum alloy, which is both lightweight and durable. The craftsmanship on this carb is exquisite, with a sleek appearance and consistent color tones that will fit right in with your BAOUFF 250's aesthetics. But performance is what really matters, and the BAOUFF PWK carb delivers. The larger 48mm air filter improves airflow to the engine, helping it breathe easier and run smoother. Whether you're climbing steep hills or cruising through dirt paths, this carb ensures that you get the most power out of your 250cc engine. You'll notice better acceleration and a smoother ride, perfect for those who love to push their bikes to the limit. One of the highlights of this carb kit is the carburetor interface, which makes installation a breeze. No need to fuss with complicated setups. The interface connector allows for a straightforward installation process. Once installed, you'll be ready to take on your next ride with ease. In terms of longevity, the quality materials used in the construction of this carb will stand the test of time. It's designed to endure the tough conditions you're likely to encounter while riding your dirt bike, ensuring that you get years of reliable performance. If you're looking for a way to increase the performance of your BAOUFF 250 without breaking the bank, the BAOUFF PWK Carburetor Kit is the way to go. It provides a noticeable upgrade in both power and ride quality, making it the perfect investment for anyone serious about their dirt biking experience. So, if you're ready to take your BAOUFF 250 to the next level, the BAOUFF PWK Carburetor Kit is exactly what you need. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest automotive gear. See you in the next video.